Welcome back students. In this video we will continue our gamma distribution function. तो यहाँ पे in today's video I will show you कि in which case your standard gamma variate is tending to standard normal variate z, in which case. So when you tend your lambda parameter limit to infinity, at that time your standard gamma variate will move to standard normal variate. Okay, let's prove it. Firstly, I am taking the standard gamma variate as x. Let x be the standard gamma variate with parameter lambda. Z be the standard normal variate. And after that, we know कि z is equals to x minus mu by sigma, है ना? Where in this gamma distribution, your mean, mu is mean is lambda. Here, mu is equal to lambda, sigma square is equal to lambda. This implies sigma is equal to under root of lambda. Okay, under root of lambda and gamma of lambda both are different things. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो, now by MGF function mzt x minus mu by sigma, तो यहाँ पे x minus lambda by में under root lambda, this value you are having into t. It will be expectation of e की x minus mu by sigma किसके इक्वल है, x minus lambda by under root lambda into t. Now separate the terms expectation of e की x by lambda t, है ना, into e की lambda by में under root lambda. Your answer will be root lambda, because lambda को I can write root lambda into root lambda. One root lambda will cancel out with this denominator term, so only root lambda will left in numerator. So here x root lambda t. Okay, so I can write, this is the constant term, it is independent of x, so directly I can take it out. Now expectation of e की x by lambda t, तो ये क्या है, e की under root lambda t into m x t by under root lambda. This is the by the definition of moment generating function. In the first video I discussed with you कि this is equal to this. Okay, now what is the MGF function for this? Your MGF function is 1 upon में 1 minus t की power 1 upon में t by root lambda. Here in place of t you have t by root lambda की power lambda, this weighted. Okay, so this is your mzt. Now taking log on both side, take log. When you take log on this side, it will be kzt, है ना, cumulant function. Log of e की under root lambda t into 1, do one thing. Here I am writing 1 minus t by under root lambda raised to the power lambda in numerator. Power will be negative. So log of AB is equal to log of A plus log of B. So here it will be log of e की under root lambda t into log of 1 minus t by under root lambda minus lambda. प्रोडक्ट में था तो प्लस आ जाएगा this thing. Now from here I can say log of, firstly this power will come forward, then log of e will be 1. So I am not writing that 1 here. Here power will come forward minus log 1 minus t by under root lambda. Now we know कि log of 1 minus x is equal to minus of x plus x square by 2 plus x की 3 by 3 and so on. So I will open that expansion here. It will be kzt is equal to root lambda t minus में lambda as it is. Now tell me one thing, minus में this lambda as it is, then open that expansion. Okay, I did one mistake here. That mistake is of sign. Minus का lambda by under root lambda into t था, तो I have not written that negative. So we have to mention that negative everywhere. Okay, ये हो गया. Now minus का lambda as it is, expansion of this will be. तो ये plus हो जाएगा, this minus and this minus will become plus. Log of 1 minus t by under root lambda का expansion will be t by under root lambda plus t square by 2 lambda plus t cube by 3 lambda root lambda and so on. Just open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you will get minus under root lambda t plus under root lambda t, because I can write lambda as under root lambda and under root lambda. One will cancel out and then root lambda will left there. Plus t square by 2 plus t cube by 3 root lambda and so on. This and this will cancel out each other. So k z t, every term which is greater than this one, every next coming term, that will have lambda. Okay, तो सबके पास lambda होगा. तो t square by 2 plus t cube by 3 root lambda and so on. Now limit lambda goes to infinity, k z t. When your limit lambda will go to infinity, this will be 0. The next term is also having lambda in denominator, that will also be 0. तो यहाँ से क्या आया, t square by 2. तो यहाँ पे again I am taking limit lambda goes to infinity log of mz t equal to t square by 2. तो limit lambda goes to infinity mz t is equal to e की t square by 2, which is the MGF for standard normal variate z. So this is the limiting case कि when lambda is going towards infinity, your gamma variate will tend to standard normal variate z. Okay, if you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel.